good morning, everyone. Hello there. Good morning. Christmas is coming soon, guys. Ang awiting ito'y para sa'yo at ko ng tinig di magsisi mula sa labi ko. Salamat, salamat, yeah. Hi, good morning. I just woke up, guys, and my face is so haggard. Yeah, this is my natural beauty, guys. My natural beauty, it's so haggard. Haggard. And my hair is so curly, guys. I love my messy hair. I love my messy hair, guys. Hi, please do support my channel, guys. You can also subscribe my channel. Watch my videos. I need 1,000 subscriber, guys. I hope you will subscribe my channel. Doing exercises every day to bigger my legs, guys. To bigger my legs. Just doing like this. Ayan, so that my legs become bigger. And to maintain my body figure. I can show you the one. Shiny, shimmer, splendid, rover. Doing exercises like this, guys, to flat my belly. Yeah, to flat my belly, guys. To flat my tummy. Ang awiting ito'y para sa'yo at kung di magsisisi mula sa labi ko. Salamat, salamat, yeah. Ayan, so that's it for today, guys. Ayan yung aking daily exercises of my legs.